Well, let me guess. You want the Dragon Eye in exchange for Astrid.
Hiccup! Don't even think about it!
Come now. Are you really going to sacrifice your future? All the wonderful years you have ahead of you for that?
Wow, Vico. Well, I guess when you put it that way, no, I'm not